Hello everyone, I'm Molly from Chinese Learning. Today I will share a new story with you. It is called 小猴子下山, which means a little monkey comes down from the mountain. Are you ready? Now let's begin. One day, a little monkey went down a mountain to play. He was very happy when he came to a cornfield and saw a lot of big ears of corn. He picked one and went on. Then the little monkey came to a peach tree and saw the big red peaches. He was very happy. He threw the corn away and picked the peaches. The little monkey came to a melon field while carrying the peaches. When he saw a big round watermelon, he was very happy. Then he threw away the peaches and picked the watermelon. The little monkey went back holding a big watermelon. He saw a lovely little rabbit hopping around. He was very happy. Then he threw away the watermelon and chased the little rabbit. But the little rabbit ran into the woods and disappeared. Okay, that's all about the story. If you like it, you can remember 小猴子下山. Now please read with me. 小猴子下山. Today's teaching is over. Next time, I'm gonna talk about 横行的螃蟹, which means the crab's funny walk. Thank you for your listening. See you next time. Bye.